No, we should go out to dinner. Mom.
Baby on the back.
Oh, that is so cute.
He's monkeying around. Come on, monkey. Oh, little baby.
Oh my God.
Go ahead, little baby. Oops, he almost fell.
What the heck is hanging out of his ass? What is that? What are those? Dangly. Oh my God. Oh, the baby's lost.
Oh my God.
The dad's going to get the baby.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't believe it.
The baby doesn't know what to do.
That baby will be fine.
You gonna go in the water?
I don't think so.
Look at the monkey.
Look at him walking.
Look, look, look. He's gonna try to reach. Look at he's trying to get.
He's getting water.
No, he's getting the food that we threw in there.
I know, but they don't go in the water. Look, look. Look.
Get the hell out of here.
Too funny.
No, not far enough. I don't think it's good.
That iguana.
Yeah, that iguana's.
Iguana's
Look at
big.
them. They're gonna hold on to each other to go in. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, look at him. Look at him.
Look at the little baby.
Look at him. Look at him. He's trying to. See? Look. He's got another one. No, there it is. They're holding
They're
on
such
to
like
the
people.
grass,
It freaks me out.
Oh, look at them. They can't resist that. Oh, look, look.
Is he used to like a turtle or something
know.
for support?
I don't know. Coconut.
Look at the baby.
Oh. Uh-oh.
I got it. I got it on camera.
Get it.
I got
Get the hell out of here. Are you freaking kidding me?
Oh my God, that's so funny.
After we just saw that picture. Look at the little baby go.
Yeah, baby.
Now he's going to slide down and get the food. Oh.
This is the gayest thing in my life.
The baby doesn't know where to go. Oh my God, this
Dude, that iguana's got to be pissed.
Well, that was the male, I think, that did it, like the dad. Look at its little belly.
This is too funny. I know, I got it on
Did you get a
camera.
picture of it?
I just saw a sign.
That is awesome.
Oh, here comes the baby.
It says free safety. Yeah, we'll try to do it because, you know.
It's so fun to get this too. Pat, do you want me to download these to my family album?
I want to see the
No, I'm gonna make a separate album for the safari and the zoo.
Okay. That was the funniest thing for me.
I know, I've never seen anything like
I can't
it.
believe you
Because
did
after we saw
that.
that one thing.
I know.
Oh, look at him. What's he doing?
What if he lands on the iguana?
No.
I can't believe
he's like flipping his head up.
Look at him swinging by his
Swinging by his tail.
Oh, he's coming down to mess with the iguana again.
He's gonna mess with the iguana. Where's the iguana? He's gonna pull his tail again.
Oh, yeah? Oh, look at the little guy. The little guy's out there.
I know, it's creepy, right? Like, oh, baby, oh, baby.
I know, he's so cute.
He's gonna go cliffhanger again.
He's gonna grab the baby and send the baby out.
Really? Yeah. There was the iguana over there that was like on
He was ready to like jump into his food. Really? Yeah.
Oh, he's biting him.
Oh, he's